Colaz Smith TV still active. Big up yourself, Colaz Smith. See Colaz Smith right now, I dig the foundation for the bathroom. Airbnb, turn up on the hillside. Also, we have to speak about Sox active with the team. How people not act like the Sox leave the team and Sox are deceive the team. Wanna stop it. Yo, right now, Colaz Smith thing up. It's shot. Boy, you can stay a space and see the house where the house pretty. Wonderful job on the paint. And me I tell you say the whole restoration on the house. Up, man. Me I tell you say right now, shouldn't be any problem for customers or request the first stay in the Airbnb. You know what I mean? There should be a lot of requests forward right now for that place, cause one, it gotta get a lot of eyes on it. And me I tell you say right now, for what we are see right now, wonderful content it make. And we also serious part Sox. Yeah, up with the team and you know more address too. Cause a lot of people in a bash Sox I say, boy, you know, him never forward and speak about certain things. But brother, you ever realize saying certain things are in a lot of things, it better you just keep your mouth shut and not say nothing. Yeah man, real way. Especially when a lot of things involve family and things. Sometimes better you not say nothing, cause think about this, if Sox did even say something right now, no, that's still a bash Sox I say. Member Sox did say this and member that and this, that. So, yeah, man. And as far as what we see right now, things up. Yeah. See the man them a cook right now. Where the man them a cook? For one tree stump. You know, normal. But you know, say, when you forward to the cooking and thing, and Colaz Smith is one of the most creative person, I see, on YouTube. Big up to the rest of vloggers, them and thing. But me I tell you, say, when you forward to creative and they put in the fire and the river and thing like that. Colaz Smith, my G, have the whole world a looking and say, no bro, that youth are creative, different and, you know, yeah, then the way I'm doing food and, me see the virgin all make some dumpling, brother, with all pumpkin in it and me I say, yo, yes, interesting, this is what we need. We need them type of content upon YouTube, you know what I mean? So, that's what me I say. Big up to the whole team, you see me? Yeah, man. It's good to see them active and I put in the work. Cause, see, people now remember, you know, especially people them overseas, and you know, see a winter season are forward and people are going indoor more and people need content for watch. And when you don't know the thing set, people need to see Colaz Smith and make up the fire there in the river somewhere in Jamaica and Portland there. We're so beautiful and people want to see it. You see me, Colaz, you have to do a next content where you're cooking at the river. May I tell you that, my G. That one then a normal. That one they take it to a next level. You see me? That one they make me say, yo, how them I go tap this? How them I go like, brother? Also, we also look for see Colaz Smith and the team in the US soon. Because as you can see on the recently update, but we congratulate Colaz Smith, you know what I mean? And we are look forward to see the team fly out and as well go all over the world and bring us some amazing content, cause we're proud to see them and spread them wings and go around the world and hope to see many more of us Jamaicans take this thing serious like how Colaz Smith and his team are do the road and know say yes, you can change your life like this, BJ. So take the thing serious. Get your thing together. Start record something. That is it. And yo, I want to do right now. I want to also check out the subscription right now for the early peaks and things like that. Make sure it's on the subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you'll be the first to get the latest power on the Jamaica platform. Yes. So right now, my people, see we out in the world as Jamaican and we are they're all over the internet right now, but a lot of people are use the internet for the wrong source, wrong reason. Internet now go there for just drama. Virgin, man, them need to start wise up and start make some money off of this internet here, brother. See me? That's where we are pre right now. Make some currency. So, me go start make some different content, you know. See me? Cause I not just want to have my platform just to talk about drama in a dancehall, drama, cause why send sometime I talk about some of them artists that we're not even, I go put out a next song and go one song we go hear from them. We never even go talk about that. That's why we have to big up the content creator them. We stay active. You see me? Them people that me get inspired by. Can't get inspired by the people who do 1 hour content, brother. I'm not depend on something there. Yeah, man, big up the people and we are putting in the real work and no say. All when thing now really reach where you want to reach with a minute that you not give up. Keep putting in the work cause you must see the light. Cash we are free. What time change, one time country. People look pan country like at the worst place. Them a say, yo, country, be a country man. Not now going down there. Well, country right now, down there thing I go on right now. Down there content there. You see me? Down there the eyes them a penetrate, you see me? So me I tell you say right now the thing just flip right now, brother, cause you wanna see people them love the countryside with the whole heap of river there and the whole heap of naturalness, the nature and thing. You get a time for connect cause not too much confusion and things. So brother, you have to peep into what go on, bro. You see me? Get hip to the thing and get attached to nature cause me I tell you say main reason to why people love this thing globally, brother. People love nature. You understand? Naturalness, man. The naturalness about it. We can just live a day-to-day life. Natural. You know, put on a show. You know what I mean? You get currency for this. You actually receive benefits off of this. You don't get no better than that. Absolutely not. Nowhere in the world. You understand? Yeah, man. So, I best it, man. So, we have to say, yo, big up to YouTube because YouTube, brother, right now, are one of the best thing ever happen for people right now where create content because it changed the world, man. It changed life, you know. Yeah, man, YouTube. That's why I tell people, say, yo, take on the thing serious, G. You see me? You can't tell yourself, say, alright then, because you watch content and you can't make some money. Brother, make some money, dog. You see me? You have to know, say to you, know, brother. Enough people don't understand. Nobody no watch content more than creators though. Because every time you watch something, you get an idea. Don't confuse yourself. Create a channel and chase your dreams. Jamaica too nice. And you don't even have to that Jamaica. Anywhere in the world, just take out your phone and start record something, bro. Because you never know where to reach, you see me? Yeah, man. Just be yourself. That's the whole thing. Just pure Colaz Smith them do them thing. Them be themselves. You know what I mean? Them not out there act fancy for nobody. Them just be them natural self. And the world love that. That's enough people not understand. Them a try to go up on social media with this polish up look. People not in that. People want to see it in a real element when people can relate. Because you have to remember it. On the next side where I watch it is a real human being I watch you. So if them can't relate to nothing what you do, you don't know where I go and you're not going to get no subscriber. Alright, now realness where I did. People make sure it's on the subscribe, smash it like. Big up on yourself. So Jamaica, we're there. Also make sure son to check out the merchandise because I also actually have my clothing line, so make sure son to support it. When you don't know the thing said. Yeah.